Alright, this is the Firestone airbag install with the Heavy Duty Air Compressor. My receiver hitch is sitting just at 17 inches right now. I'm at 5 psi, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this up to 70. So you see it's set to 70. We'll look at that when it's done. Here's the air compressor right here. So the airbags right here are inflating. I've tested this for air leaks. I've got one hose routing that connects up in here. Got to connect to the air compressor, to the ECU, and then there's a filter, kind of hard to see right here. So all these lines are connected. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run this conduit, this stuff right here, around all these lines because I've got it run through the frame, and then I'll zip tie everything up once this finishes running. So we're at 68 pounds. There's 70. It's going to kick up a couple and then it's going to drop back down. Alright, so we're at 70 right there. So we were at 17. Let's see where we're at now. So just about 19. Just under 19. So I took it up 2 inches. I can raise it higher if I need to. That's just 70 psi. And that's with no weight in the back of the truck other than the bumper and the cans and the spare tire and all that other good stuff. So there you go. Yukon River Quest 2026 is 45 days from today. Tacoma's getting ready.